Greetings from Vissco. Let us now see Vissco 10-inch Abdominal Belt. Product code 0512. The Vissco Abdominal Belt helps to support and tone the weak abdominal muscles. It is used as a post-pregnancy support after abdominal surgery and as a tummy trimmer. It is made up of skin-friendly and breathable material and is 100% latex-free. For the product to be most effective, it is important to select the right size. Take a measuring tape and measure the circumference of the abdomen at the navel level. You can then select the appropriate size from the chart on the box. You can select from small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. Now that you have selected the right size, let's wear the product. First, unfasten the velcros and open the belt. Wrap the belt around the abdomen and lock to a comfortable and snug fit. Congratulations! Your Vissco Abdominal Belt is now ready for use.